Hi, this is Avinash Sharma, and in this session we will see how to create the Power BI donut chart. Donut chart is very similar to the pie chart, but the difference is the donut chart is blank in center. The purpose of the both is to display the parts of information as a whole. Suppose you want to show the different types of the marks obtained by the student, or you want to show the sales done by a salesman in a month on different dates. So for this kind of scenario, you can use the donut charts or pie chart. Before we start creating the donut chart in Power BI, we have some data. So we check this data. In this data, we have the category and the product name, the pen, pencil, mouse, and the quantity sold and date of sale. So you can see in the category, in the stationery, we have a pen, then pencil, and another category computer, we have the mouse. Also you can see this pen. This pen has been sold twice on this date and its date. Again the CPU has been sold twice on this date then on this date, and this is under the category computer. So we'll see how to present this data on the donut chart. Now we start creating the donut chart. So in the right side, in the field section, we have a data purchase summary, the category, date of sale, product, and quantity sold. This data has been uploaded already. Now click on the donut chart. So in the legend, in the field section, the first option is the legend. The purpose of legend is to display the information, different information in different colors. So we will drag and drop category first. So you can see the list of the categories as a legend is displayed here. Now in the values, we will put the quantities sold. So our chart is ready, but the information is not visible properly. So we format the data and legend. Go to the format section, legend, change the color and 18, bigger font size. Then data label, black, and label style. In label style, right now we have the figure and the percentage of the total sales. Means 22 is the sale. In the label style, we have the quantity and the percentage of total sales. Now all details labeled. So along with the quantity and percentage, now we have the name of the category. So make the font bigger, say 18. Now the information is visible properly. So these are the four categories: the furniture, office, stationery, and the computer. And these are the quantity and these are the percentage of total sale. But this is not enough for me, because I want to check the how many products have been sold in each category. So for that purpose, I need to drill down the data for the products. So drag and drop product in the legend and enable the drill down option here. Now click on the computer. So you can see these are the products under the computer category, and these are the quantity: CPU 104, keyboard 89, and these are the percentage of total sales. But we know the CPU has been sold twice on different date. So I need to know that details also. So date of sale, put on the details section. Now you see this sector, the color is the same, but it has been divided in two sectors, another two sectors, because this shows 83 on 12th September and 21 on 12th December. CPU has been sold twice on these two different dates. So this way you can drill down the data. Also in format section, there are so many options. Using this option, you can make this donut chart very attractive. Say title, center, and font size, make it say 24. So this title has been changed. So guys, this was all about how to create the donut chart with the drill down data. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for watching the video.